What's up, everyone? It's your boy Shotgun Gabe, reminding you guys that if I can do it, you can do it. And today we are talking about Ally Invest and Webull. So, Ally Invest and Webull. I started in Ally Invest a while back because my friend told me about their accounts and how much of interest rates they have on their savings account and their checking account. So I went and I got me a savings account in them, and I started stacking up money. And then I ended up opening an investment account and getting to a company called Neo. You guys may have heard about it. So I ended up investing in Neo along with a couple of other companies, and then Fuel Cell came along. I ended up getting in with Fuel Cell under $10 a share, but I used Ally for a long-term strategy, and then I made some pretty good money off of Neo, and then I wanted to pull some of the money out, put it away, and continue to invest, but learning other strategies. So I ended up opening me a Ally account first, and then having a Webull account. So now I have two accounts. I have an Ally account and I have a Webull account. The Ally account I use for long-term trading, and the Webull account I use for more short swing trades. I don't like to say I'm a day trading because I'm not a day trader. I do more like a swing trade. So I'll grab something, and the shortest I usually get out of it is in a day or two. I have done day trades before. I just tend to like swing trades better. And I like long-term trades, especially with the longer-term trades, is the more I get to invest in a company, the more I get to investigate and then invest in them. And I'm saying investigate because the more I investigate, the more I invest or I average in. I don't always dump all my money in something at one time. I'll buy a few shares and then a few more shares and then a few more shares. And that's how I did it with Neo. And before Neo hit $5 a share, I ended up just stacking up. Then put it in the background, and then when it went all the way up past 50, I made some pretty good money. Pulled some of that money out, pulled my investment out twice, and played on profit. So look, I started investing with $250, which I really kind of didn't have at the time. But I started investing with $250. I think I got my Neo all the way up to almost $4,000, and I pulled 500 out. So I invested $250, so I got my money twice, pulled it out, and then continued investing. And that's a strategy I like to use. Double your investment when you get your money four times where you started. Say you start with $100. When you get it to 400, pull out 100. Then when you get it to another 400, pull out another 400. I did it a little bit later because I just left it alone for a while. But if you're able to invest $100 and you get up to 8, you can pull a quarter of your money out and be double your money. You're nice, because I feel personally it gives me a chance to be a little more bullish, a little more just to dive in on stuff that I'd normally be scared of because I know I'm playing off profits. But that's for another video. So what I like about Ally is if I want to trade and I don't have money in my account, I can go to my Ally bank account and I can transfer money over, and it goes there right then and there like that. Now, that's during the day. If I want to pull cash out, I can pull it out quick as that. But they have to be settled funds. Just keep that in mind. They have to be settled funds. Now, with Webull's not attached to a bank. They're attached to one of my bank accounts. Now, when I want to add money to Webull, sometimes they give me the buying power right then and there. I say buying power, but that's for you guys that don't know too well or don't understand, because it took me a minute to learn what BP was, buying power. I say deposit $100 into Webull. Webull says, okay, go ahead and buy $100 worth of stock. Most of the time. I say most of the time. But it takes 5 days to settle or to get into my account. And if anything happens for some reason I don't keep track or something, then I'm going to get charged by the bank and by Webull. That don't happen to me on Ally. So that's why I like Ally better in that sense. I can move money back and forth easily as long as there's settled funds. Sometimes if it's after hours in the middle of the night, I can't. But Ally Bank is an online bank. They're all digital. They don't have no brick and mortar. You can't go into Ally Bank and put your card in a machine or talk to a teller. It's all over the phone. They do have ATMs you can use, but I like Ally for the liquidity is what they call it. Moving my money back and forth between my accounts. I like that. Webull, I like, it's just all around better for trading. It's set up for trading, and it should be. Webull is a brokerage or stock brokerage are for stock traders. Ally is financial services for all around, and they seem to focus on certain things. They give you really good return rates on your money, better than most other banks. I left a couple other places and I went to them. You know, I had a couple of different accounts in a couple of different places. Now I got a couple of accounts with them. I have a trading account with them. I have a custodial account for my daughter. I have a bank account for myself, and I have a bank account for my daughter. You know, so I have 4 accounts with Ally. Webull, I have a account for myself. I have an account for a family member that I manage. So I like to trade better on Webull, but Webull's not to where my Ally is yet. I only put a couple $100s in Webull as well, you know, and it's slowly going up. Ally, I put a couple $100s in. It's shot up pretty good. So I use them for different strategies. Right now, in both of them, I got AMC. Neo, I still hold a good amount of Neo and Fuel Cell in my Ally account because those are longer term. Some of my other trades, I have some AMC in my Webull as well, but that's for when I'm ready to sell off real quick, as well as TRXC. I'm liking TRXC a lot more though. So if you guys don't know about TRXC, look into it. I have a video on it. You can check that out here. And I like them for more of the shorter trades and when I don't need money right away. So to compare it overall, if I could say I trade on anyone, I trade on Webull. If I had to take one, I'm going to go for Webull. Just going to go for that one. Their graphs are a lot better. Everything's a lot sharper, nicer, and easier to use. If I'm doing it because I'm just a long-term investor, I don't look at stocks every day, I want the liquidity, then I would go with Ally. You know, and fortunately for me, how it works is I use both of them. I use both of these. They both have served me well. And like I said, I like to do my long-term trades on Ally, and I like to do my short-term trades on Webull. You know, so it's all about you guys seeing what works for you and checking them both out. I just figured I'd make a quick video because I know there's people out there that are wondering, trying to compare them. If you're a short-term investor, what I find, once again, is Webull works better. If you're a long-term investor and you like liquidity, use Ally. Thank you for watching. If you guys haven't got the free crypto yet, there's Coinbase. Coinbase does free crypto. You could do little lessons, learn about crypto if you don't know nothing about it, to kind of get in more in depth with it, and they pay you for it. So these quick lessons are like quick little 30-second lessons, and they give you a few bucks for each one. I earned like 40 bucks, and it's all the way up to almost 60 now. So go ahead and check that video out. Like and subscribe if you want to. I'm not going to tell you to. It's up to you if you like the video or not. If you do like it, please like it. If you don't, then you just hopefully you could find some knowledge somewhere else, man. Everybody have a good day.